Hi, I'm Sylvia from Kitchen Creations, and on today's episode I am making rice and beans. This rice and beans is full of flavor. Here are my ingredients: pinto beans, oil, rice, habanero pepper, chopped garlic, Maggie, Haitian spice, onion powder, adobo seasoning, and black pepper. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we are going to need pinto beans. Next, we're just going to wash our beans. Look how dirty the water is. And we're going to repeat this process 2 more times. Next, add your beans to a pot. Add 2 cloves of garlic and about 8 cups of water. Turn your stove to medium. Cover your beans, and after 20 minutes we'll check on it to see if it needs more water, and we'll continue adding water in this until it's cooked. After 40 minutes, this is how I check to see if my beans are done. I grab one and squeeze it, and this is perfect. Over medium heat, in a large pot, add your oil, add your Haitian spice, stir it in the oil, and let it cook down for about a minute. Add your garlic and the Maggie cube. Now add your beans. Now keep stirring for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add your adobo seasoning, black pepper, and onion powder, and let it cook for another minute. Pour in your water, add your habanero pepper, and bring this to a boil. At this point, go ahead and taste the water to see if it needs any salt. If not, go ahead and add your rice in. Give it a good stir. Doesn't this look amazing? Now let it cook until the water has dried out. After the water has evaporated, turn your heat down to low and give your rice a good stir. Now we're going to cover this and let it steam for about 25 minutes. My rice is done. Take a look at this rice and tell me this doesn't look amazing. Guys, this rice and beans look delicious, and my house smells delicious. How about that taste test? There you go. The flavor, amazing. And to be honest, this rice is so good, you don't even need anything to go with it. But I am gonna have it with some oxtails. If you made it this far, give me a like, and I'll see you guys later.